Grouping data. Worksheets with a large amount of data can appear overwhelming and difficult to understand. Sometimes you need to view only a part of the data. Fortunately, you can use the group command in the outline group of the data tab to organize data into groups. This enables you to easily show and hide different sections of your worksheet. Say, you do not want to view month-wise figures in this worksheet. You only want quarterly figures. To create a group of the data of the first 3 months, select the column headings and on the Data tab in the Outline group, click Group. A line appears above the columns with a minus sign indicating that they are part of a group. To hide the display of this group, click the minus sign. Similarly, create a group of the next 3 months and hide it. Now you have only the quarterly figures, which is what you wanted. Ungrouping data. To ungroup the data of the first 3 months, click the first plus sign, select the columns, and then click Ungroup. Similarly, ungroup the data of the next 3 months. In this way, you can group and ungroup data as required. Creating subtotals. The subtotal command in the Outline group of the Data tab is used to automatically calculate subtotals and grand totals in a column of a worksheet. The displayed worksheet contains a list of employees with the details of their departments and monthly salaries. You want to know the total salaries that are being paid monthly with the department-wise breakup. This can be easily done using the subtotal feature. You first need to sort the data on the field for which you want the subtotals. In this case, department. Click any cell containing department data. Now on the Data tab, in the Sort and Filter group, click Sort A to Z. Your list is now sorted department-wise. Then on the Data tab, in the Outline group, click Subtotal. In the Subtotal window, in the At Each Change in box, select Department, since this is the field you sorted the data on and for which you want the totals. Ensure that the monthly salary box is checked under Add Subtotal to. Now click OK. Here you are. The subtotals for all departments are displayed along with the grand total. Let's shade the cells containing the totals with different colors to highlight them. Use the Fill Color icon in the Font group of the Home tab for this. You can see that groups have been automatically created. Click the minus and plus signs to collapse them and expand them as required. Viewing groups by level. When you create subtotals, your worksheet is divided into different levels. You can switch between these levels to quickly control how much information is displayed in the worksheet by clicking the level buttons at the top left of the worksheet. Click the lowest level, that is 1, to display the least detail. Now you can view only the grand total. Next, click level 2. This contains each subtotal row but hides all other data from the worksheet. Click the highest level 3 to view and expand all the worksheet data. You can also use the Show Detail and Hide Detail buttons in the Outline group of the Data tab to show and hide groups. Along with sums, you can use the subtotal feature to calculate averages, number of entries, etc. by selecting the appropriate option in the Use function box. Removing subtotals. To remove all subtotals, click any cell containing the data used. Then, on the Data tab, in the Outline group, click Subtotal. In the subtotal window, click Remove All. All totals are now removed.